Good day, viewers. I remain Ademola Johnson. I want to build on the previous topic we just finished, that's IONS, with 11 fast questions from WAEC of different years. So please, if what I'm doing to you is good to you and beneficial, do endeavor benefit me also by clicking the subscribe button and share this video and click the notification button. God bless you as you do so. Now, this is why 2010, question 12. It says, which of the following species correctly represent an ion of M? They didn't give us the name of the element, just say M, with 13 protons and 10 electrons. If it is, they say ion, they did not say atom. So that's why their proton number is different from their electron number. It's not ion, they are no longer electrically neutral. So don't forget that when ion is formed, this is the M. The proton number remains the same, 13. It remains the same. It's the electron number that is involved in formation of it. Then the mass number is proton plus neutron. Now, okay, we don't have any research to that. There is no information, no neutron number here. But the thing is that what has happened when you have proton number, proton is now more than the electrons. I told you the other time, what do? You see 13 proton minus 10 electrons is equal to what? What do you have? You have what? Take 10 away from here, plus 2. So you now have 2 plus here. So and that shows that before, when it did not carry any charge, when it was neutral M, the proton number is 13. If there is no charge here, meaning it is electrically neutral, it means the number of proton, which is 13, is equal to the number of electron, which is also 13. But now that something has happened, now the electron number that's going to be 13 before now is now what now? Okay, answer is 3 plus 3. Sorry, take 10 away from here, you have 3. So now that the difference so it now means that it has lost. 3 electrons out of the 13 electrons it has. So the answer now is what? M 3 plus, that's option C is a correct answer. So take note of that. Now then number 2, hydrogen atom which has lost an electron contains dash. I've told you before, hydrogen which is protium hydrogen is usually written as this. It has the same mass number and atomic number is 1,1. Because it has no proton, it has no neutron. So it has only 2 subparticles, which is proton and electron. So now, it has only proton and electron, only 1 electron. So if you lose that 1 electron to form H+, now it's going to be left with only 1 proton, no electron, no neutron. So they say hydrogen atom which has lost an electron contains what? 1 proton only. And I've told you in the previous class that hydrogen ion is often called proton because out of the 3 subparticles it has only proton. No longer it doesn't have neutron before. The only electron the neutral atom has been lost to carry positive charge. Number 3, sodium atom and sodium ion. What do they have in common? Have the same words. They have the same number of proton, but different number of electron. Because sodium Na11 configuration was 2 to 8 to 1. But by the time you form sodium ion, configuration is now 2 to 8. So it's now, although the proton number is 11, but the number of electron is 2 plus it has 10. This one is 11. So, but the number of protons still remains the same. So what they have the same number of proton, they still have the same number of neutrons. So the answer here can either be proton number or neutron number. So we don't have proton number, but what we have here is what? Neutron number. So that is that. Because neutron is not involved in a chemical reaction. Number 4, which is 1999 question 7, says calcium ionizes by what? Don't forget that calcium is Ca20. So the configuration is 2 to 8 to what? To 2. I told you when anything that is here, if it is 1 or 2 or 3, it just carries as Ca2+. It has lost, and the configuration is now going to be 2 to 8. So this one is wrong. 2 to 8 to another 8 to 2. So the correlation is now to 2 to 8 to 8. So it has lost these two to carry this. So answer is what? By losing 2 electrons. Calcium ion ionizes, that is forms ion. The word ionize means to form what? Ion. Ionizes by losing 2 electrons. Number 5, chlorine atom forms chloride ion, Cl minus ion, by doing what? Chlorine atom is Cl17. Configuration is 2 to 8 to 7. So you can see if anything that is here is 4 and above, you have Cl. Take this one away from 8, you have 1, but it is minus 1. So it has done what? So the conclusion is now 2 to 8 to 8, because it has borrowed 1 to this 8. So it has taken 1 electron by what? So chlorine atom forms chloride ion by what? By gaining 1 electron. Where can I? That's option D. Then number 6, why 2006 question 5 says, which of the following pairs or species contain the same number of electrons? The same number of electrons. Let's check that. Now, and we're already giving the atomic number of carbon to be 6, so that we can form the electronic configuration of carbon. Carbon 6. This information is given to you to form 2 to 4, and oxygen is what? Oxygen 8. That's 2 to 6. Then neon Ne 10. That's 2 to 8. Then that of sodium Na11. That's 2 to 8. Then the next one is what? Mg12. That's 2 to 1, sorry. 2 to 8 to 2. Then we have aluminium 13, which is 2 to 8 to 3. Then we have chlorine 17, which is 2 to 8 to 7. Now, so which of these? Now let's now check our options. Magnesium ion. If magnesium atom is this, magnesium ion now is going to be Mg2 plus after losing these 2. So and the configuration will now be what? 2 to what? To 8. No longer 2 to 8 to 2. Then and what? And aluminium 3 plus. Where's aluminium here? Okay. Aluminium ion is going to be Al. After losing this, you have 3 plus. And configuration is now 2 to 8. So you can now see that the answer now, is it aluminium ion that is here? Yes, answer is option A. The two of them have the same configuration, 2 to 8 and 2 to 8. I told you when ions are formed, they form the stable configuration of the noble gas. Why can it not be option B? Chlorine is this. Then the ion of chlorine is what? Cl minus. So the configuration is now 2 to 8 to 8. It has borrowed 1 to this. So then what about neon? Neon remains what? Neon, it does not form ion. That's 2 to 8. That's what we have here. So here, chlorine is 2 to 8 to 8. How does 2 to 8 to 8 resemble 2 to 8? It's not possible. So it's not that. Then why is it not option C? Sodium ion is 2 to 8. It has not before. It used to be sodium atom 11 used to be 2 to 8 to 1. But when it loses it, it forms 2 to 8. Then magnesium, this one is you have 2 to 8 also. This is 2 to 8 to what? To 2. So when it loses this, you have this. Does that mean we have 2 answers in this question? Okay. Well, okay. But what's the question? It says which of the following pairs of species contain the same number of electrons? So we have 2 answers here. This is another answer. This is another answer. So then which? Then carbon is 2 to 4. Then this one, oxide is 2 to 8 because the neutral atom of oxygen 8 is 2 to 6. So you haven't borrowed 2. So this one are not the same thing. So there are 2 answers there, option C and option A. Now, number 7, which of the following species is not isoelectric with others? That is, do not have the same electronic configuration with others. Chlorine is 17, don't forget. That's 2 to 8. It has lost, to 8. It borrowed 1 to form this. Magnesium is 2 to 8. It used to be to 2 before. It has lost 2. Potassium is 2 to 8 to another 8. It's supposed to be 2 to 8 to 8 to 1. This one was 2 to 8 to 2. So when it was neutral. So now this is 2 to 8 to 8. That's argon. So which one is different from others? This is 2 to 8 to 8, 2 to 8 to 8, 2 to 8 to 8. This one is different. Answer is B. It's not isoelectric. The word iso means the same. Which of them have the same? Which one of them? The elements that are, species that are isoelectric are those ones that have the same electron configuration or the same number of electrons. 2020, question 44 says, how many electrons does this species has? This species now, how many electrons? When it is neutral, is phosphorus, proton number is 15. Electron number will be 15 and if it did not carry this 3 minus. So, but carrying this 3 minus shows that it has borrowed 3 electrons to this 15, to this 15 electrons. So, answer is what? Is 18. Take note of that. So, then number 9, a metallic ion Z2+ with an inert gas structure contains, why inert gas structure? Because I told you ions, they have similar electron configuration as an inert gas or a noble gas. So it has 18 electrons. 18 electrons. That is, this 2+ means that it has lost 2 electrons. So for you to now have 18 electrons now, it means initially the electrons it had before was 20. For you to carry 2+ means it has lost 2 out of the 20. So how many protons? The proton number is what? Is now 20. Answer is A. Because proton number for when it is ordinary Z, no charge. Now the proton number was 20. So when it now loses 2 electrons, it's still 20. It's only the electron number that is no longer 20 that is now 18. So take note of that. Now, so that is it. Now, then look at this table. These are theory questions now. You are asked, this is 2013, copy and complete the following table. Now, you have particles, W, 2+, X, 2-, Y, and Z. Number of neutrons, number of electrons, number of protons, number of mass number. And what do you need to know? You need to know that for electrically neutral atoms, e.g. this one now, Y and Z, the number of protons equals to number of neutrons. Take note of that. Of electrons. Then what else do you need to know? Mass number is equal to proton number plus neutron number. So this information is very important. Now this is ion. Let's first deal with neutral. For this neutral, electrically neutral Y. Now mass number is 27. We are given electron number to be 13. For a neutral atom, the electron number is equal to the proton number, so which is also going to be 13. And don't forget that the number of neutron, the mass number, don't forget that mass number equals to proton number plus neutron number. And the mass number is already 27. The proton number is 13. To now get the neutron number is very simple. Take this one to this side. You have 27 minus 13. So you have your neutron number. So if I have 27, 13, take 3 away, I have 4 here, take 1 away, that's 14. So what they are expecting you to put here is what? Is 14. So that is that. Then what about for this one? Now, this is also neutral. If it is neutral, electron number will be equal to proton number, which is also 11. Then mass number is always equal to proton number plus neutron number. So the mass number that we are looking for here now, what is the proton number? Proton number is 11, neutron number is 12. So now what do we have? Add them together. That's mass number is now going to be what? 23. That's what they want to see here. So take note of that. Now, so that is that. Now then let's go to ions which are not electrically neutral. Looking at this one carries 2+. Now the mass number is 24. Don't forget when ion is formed, the proton number still remains the same. Now this proton number does not change. So if the neutron number is this, now don't forget, now we can get the number of protons, because we know that mass number equals to proton number plus neutron number. And mass number is what? 24. Proton number is not known, that's what we are looking for. We can put neutron number here. And our neutron number is what? Is 12. So what do? Take this one, our proton number will now be 24 minus this 12. 24 minus 12 is 24. So answer is 12. So now our proton number is 12. So if proton number is 12, and if we did not carry these 2 plus, the proton number will also be equal to electron number, it will also be equal to 12. But what does this 2 plus mean? It means it has lost 2 electrons from inside the 12. And we now have what? 12 minus 2. Answer is what? 10. So what they want to see, they are not all these calculations, they are not expected to be inside the puzzle, but I'm putting it for you to understand what we did. What they want to see is the answer. Only the answer. Can do all these ones in a rough sheet. If you also see do it there, there's no problem. Now, this is ion here. Then what do we have here? Proton number is 8, mass number is 16. So now, if that is the case, we can get the neutron number, because we know that mass number equals to proton number plus neutron number. And the mass number is already 16. The proton number is what? Is 8. If the proton number is 8, we want to know the neutron number, which we don't know. Take this one, we have 16 minus 8. Answer is what? Is 8. So what they want to see here is 8. So if the neutron number is 8, now proton number, as it being there is no 2 minus on top of this x, it means that the proton number will also be equal to the electron number. But this 2 minus, which is supposed to be 8, but this 2 minus means it has borrowed 2 to add to that 8. Answer is now going to be 8 plus 2. Answer is now going to be 10. So 10 is what is going to be there. So that is that. Then look at this one. This is hydrogen. Hydrogen, mass number 1, atomic number 1. Then number of neutrons is going to be what? Don't forget that mass number equals to proton number plus neutron number. What is the mass number? Mass number is 1. What is the proton number? Proton number is 1. Plus, so neutron number will not be equal to what? Take this one. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So it has no neutron. So if you want to get neutron number, you are giving something like, just take away what is here from here. Your answer is like, if you take 13 away from 27 now, you get the neutron number. So here now, here they say what is the proton number? The proton number is 13 written here. Then the mass number is 27. Then the neutron number is, don't forget, mass number equals to neutron number plus proton number. So the mass number is 27. The neutron number is unknown. That's what we are looking for. What is the proton number? That is 13. So your neutron number now will now be equal to 27 minus 13. So you have your neutron number now is going to be 14. So that is it. 14 is what you want to see there. Now, then the last part of it, this is oxygen atoms. They are giving they are giving us the neutron number to be 8. Very easy. The proton number is the atomic number, which is already what? 8. Then the mass number is 16. So we are not asked of the mass number, but to get the number of electrons. Okay, this is number of electrons. Oh, sorry with this. It's an error here. I didn't check this. This is number of electrons. So number of electrons is still what? 13. It's equals to 13, please. Why is it equals to 13? Because it is neutral. No charge is here. Proton number equals to electron number. So that is that. Then the number of neutrons. No, this is not mass number. I didn't check here. Number of neutrons. Number of neutron is gotten when you take away the proton number. Mass number equals to proton number plus neutron number. So the mass number is already given to be 27. Proton number is given to be 13. Neutron number is unknown. So neutron will now be 27 minus 13. So neutron number is 14. So we have gotten that. So this one, now, we are looking for, what are we looking for? We are looking for the number of electrons. But it's carrying 2 charge. It's carrying 2 minus. These 2 minus means that, I think we did not carry these 2 charge. This proton number would have been 8. Would have been the electron number when it's electrically neutral. But these 2 minus shows that it has borrowed 2 to add to this 8. Answer is now 10. So we are stopping here. I remain Ademola Johnson. Please do share this video, comment, and click the subscribe button, and God will bless you. Thank you. Bye for now.